Hi, I'm Alan Somerville. I head up the Building Performance Group here at BRE, the Building Research Establishment. Our job is to make buildings perform better. Buildings in the world account for about 40% of our carbon emissions, so are a crucial part of helping to drive that fundamental change that we need in the world's carbon and climate performance. What we do here at the world's leading building science centre is we drive innovation. We're at the forefront of helping the world's biggest investors, developers, occupiers and policymakers drive performance in the real estate and building sector. We help lenders decide how to spend their money. We help investors to decide which buildings to invest into, and we help occupiers and developers to monitor and really understand how buildings perform. The real estate and construction sector has such a massive role to play in making sure that the next generation of buildings are designed properly using the best of materials and actually perform the way they were meant to be when designed. Our job is to advise all stages of that process and to collect data and to analyse that performance and to make sure that our clients and our customers and our stakeholders can really understand building performance both today and in the future. It can often be really difficult for people in our sector to figure out, well, where do I start in trying to address these issues of carbon and climate? So I think one thing that we're really good at is producing benchmarks and data collection platforms that allow people to understand where they are today and to give them some really good insight as to what their targets should be in the future, and that allows them to design a pathway which they can then measure, which gets them to a point where actually they're making a real impact on carbon and climate. So I think at BRE we could really help anybody within the construction and real estate sector to understand, where am I today, where do I need to get to tomorrow, how do I measure it, how do I benchmark it. So what I would say is get in touch and let us help you.